Hello America, and welcome to this very special interview broadcast on Animal Planet. Tonight we will be speaking to you about a very, very special endangered species called the white flippered penguin. They are only found in Canterbury, New Zealand, and we have brought in a special guest, Ms. Emily Lane, and her penguin Herbert to speak with you about these guys. Thank you so much for joining us tonight, Ms. Lane, and thank you, Herbert, for joining us as well. I understand that you are an expert on penguin.
I am. I know a little bit about penguins myself.
Well, thank you so much. So, I wanted to talk to you about your cousins, the white flippered penguin.
Well, Sarah, thank you for asking that question. My cousins are going through a really hard time right now. In the last 3 years, their population has decreased over 83%. And this is due to a lot of factors, including humans, feral animals, domesticated animals, and new habitats for humans. They're destroying our habitats for them.
This is truly a heartbreaking story. Well, I know that they're chordates and I know that they're avians, but can you tell me anything else special about these guys?
Well, let's be honest. What's not special about these guys? And me. Well, we have a synapomorphy, which means something in common to all of us penguins and chordates, which is a notochord, which is similar to the backbone. White flippered penguins have a unique white marking on their flippers. They are also primarily nocturnal, which is rare in penguins. I am an afternoon penguin. As my handler will tell you, we always have tea. So these guys, they only have tea around 12, midnight. What else, Sarah? What else do you, what other questions?
So I know that they're found in Canterbury, New Zealand, but where exactly are they found?
Well, they're found off the coves of Christchurch, New Zealand, more specifically. And this is actually Christchurch's only indigenous bird. What's really interesting is that Christchurch is not having the types of conservation efforts they should, because we are the best species in New Zealand and Australia and the world, and they're not protecting us. So, this is largely because there have been a lot of earthquakes, and so the humans who feel like they're so important are trying to protect themselves.
Well, can you tell me a little bit about how humans, in particular, interact with your species?
Well, some humans actually have private conservation efforts, and they raise us like their own children, and they're trying to get our population control back up. Other humans, the bad humans, are fishermen, and they take our food, they trap us in nets, they destroy our caves and nests. Some humans are harmless and, go about their business and whatnot, raising their own chicks, but most humans are pretty harmful. And some have us in captivity, but I've heard that at the aquarium they only do nice things for us and help us get better so we can be re-released into the wild.
Well, at least it's not all bad.
That's true. I do like some humans.
Well, I think this would be a great time to take a commercial break. We'll be right back with more. Welcome back to our special on white flippered penguins. All right, Herbert. Now we have something very special that we want to do with you. And if you're okay with it, we're going to show you some pictures. Now, some of these might be disturbing. Are you all right with that? All right,
yes.
Let's get started.
I'm sort of dramatic, so any of my responses, please forgive me. Don't judge me. Let's do this, Sarah. I'm ready.
All right, Herbert. How do you feel about these animals? It's okay, Herbert. It's okay. It's just a picture. It's just a picture.
You understand? A feral cat just like that one killed Tom.
All right.
Tom was my best friend. He was my best friend. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. What kind of penguin was Tom, Herbert? He was a white flippered penguin, just the ones we've been talking about. That's why I agreed. Half my family's been killed by these horrible animals you seem to like.
I'm so sorry. We'll move on.
Oh, good. Okay, see, I told you some humans were good. Look at him catch the cats.
Right.
Oh no. No, it's okay. It's okay, alright. You're okay. See? That's just a mean cat. They caught him. They caught him.
Herbert, are you sure you're okay to move on?
I don't know. It's okay. I got you. It's okay.
We're almost done, I promise.
Okay. Oh my God! What is that? What is that? That one killed Susan! Tommy and Susan together! They're both dead! They got in! I went to their funerals. I had to sing Amazing Grace, and I can't sing. That's how few of us are left.
Now what about this dog?
He seems good. He looks like he'd eat those horrible creatures before. What do you guys think?
Well, at least he's on a leash, right?
The leash is good. See? Good humans. Good. Oh my God! Why did they let him off the leash? Don't they know they have teeth? And they like foul.
This one's
Aw.
kind of cute.
He's so cute. Can we get one? Yeah, we can get one, Herbert. Let's get one. I'm gonna get a cage and some tunnels and... Holy no! Holy cannoli! There's no way we're getting one. No. I want a hamster. That is just wrong. That is wrong. Sarah, did you know this was there?
We're all done, I
Sarah.
promise. I promise, this is the last one.
Okay, well, at least it's not a penguin. Eat more rabbits, am I right?
Well, thanks again so much for joining us, Herbert. And I'm so sorry we had to show you those horrifying pictures.
No, thank you, Sarah. The world needs to know. It was a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you too, and thank you for coming as well, Miss Lane.
Thank you.
Have a good night. From all of us here at Animal Planet, thank you again for joining us for our special on the white flippered penguin. We encourage everyone to do everything possible to save this endangered species, whether it's donating or volunteering your time for conservation. Thanks again, and have a great night.